Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. Hey, this week on Summarization, let's attack that roof. Your RV's been sitting out under bad weather for months, and it's really time for you to go ahead and look at those seals. Most lap sealant that we have is acrylic based, and so it's water. There's about 40% water, and it begins to shrink. Before you head out for the summer or anything else, in our summarization, let's go ahead and jump up on the roof. Tell you, hands and knees only, hands and knees, and let's really start looking at those seals. And quite honestly, you can't do it from standing up anyway. I want you to look close, a close inspection. Now, dirt will hide a lot of the problems that we have with seals. So I want you to get up there with a nice cleaner to go ahead and clean off around the seals. And the best thing to use, two things. You can use denatured alcohol with some gloves, little towel. Denatured alcohol will clean that dirt right off. Or get you some parts cleaner. That's right, I said parts cleaner. Get you the CRC type, the non-chlorinated type. Get up there with that bottle of CRC, the glove, and go ahead and spray that and then wipe that down. You will see dirt run away like you've never seen before. I want you to get up there and clean off the seals and really inspect them. And what you're looking for is cracks. And what you're looking for is whenever the sealant actually shrinks up so much that it's no longer touching the substrate. It's touching part of the roof on one side and it's touching maybe the rear cap or the sides over by your J-rail. So I want you to look at all those. So if you find a weak spot, here's what you do. If you can at all, if it's actually failed, you want to try and carefully pull that out. You get yourself a heat gun and a putty knife, heat it up and simply pull that off. Some of you, I may say, use a multi-tool. Get you a toothless multi-tool and you can cut that out like butter. Like I said, like butter. Now that you've got that policed off, and the only time you need to take that off is when it's actually failed. If it's actually pulled off from the substrate, then you want to go ahead and just pull that part off. You don't have to pull off all of it, just where it's failed. So cut that out, heat that up, pull that off. Now put on the new lap sealant, or better yet, you can go with something like a polyurea. Different brands out there, but a polyurea can go on anything. Now, don't use silicone on top of the roof if you have a membrane. If you have a rubber membrane, do not use silicone. It won't stick. All right, so stick with your lap sealant. Different brands out there with that name. That's going to be your Dicor. That's going to be your Alpha Systems, whatever else out there, Silkaflex, whichever. Those are all kind of acrylic-based lap sealants. Careful with those, they're self-leveling. Don't put too much on the sides. Now, if you go with a different type, like a polyurea, it acts like a silicone. You have to feather that in. All right, hands and knees, clean it all up, see where you've got cracks, maybe see where there's failure, and go ahead and take care of those. And that's your tech tip. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, well, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at nrvta.com, click on programs, and get started today. Oh, we already going?
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Oh, well, I was waiting for the red light. Oh, there it is. It's behind the battery.
It's behind the battery.
Yeah, I'm standing over here. I'm like, you can't fool me. I don't see the red light. I ain't gonna be talking smack.
Turn the screen around a little bit so you can see it.
Yeah, it's over there. Hey, red light, you're on. So let's go ahead and cover the seals and how to actually prepare your rig for the summer. No, not that kind of seal. Side caps, side caps. Well, I couldn't just call her. She's like, you know I gotta get ready. You can't just ask me to come up there without my hair all done. Like one, check two. It actually works so well, you almost want to look at some of your plates and go, pss, pss, pss. I get rid of some of that, like if you had spaghetti, you got that red sauce, whatever, it gets on that plastic bowl, you can't get rid of it. You might try that. No, don't, because now you keyboard warriors, oh, Todd said eat CRC. It's like you said, Todd said eat poop. No, I didn't. Stop with the crap. All right, so now you've pulled it out. You've don't say that. You've whipped it out. It's summertime. Sun's out, guns out. It's time to get your sun's out, rigs out. All right, so let's do that.